How to get Image ID on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll guide you on how to find or copy an image or a decal ID on Roblox. So first of all, while creating something on Roblox, you will often need a decal or image ID to add it. And here's how you can do it. First of all, go to the top of the Roblox website and click on Create to enter the Creator Hub. In the Creator Hub, you can find IDs for both images and decals you have uploaded, as well as those uploaded by others. And if you want to find someone else's decal, click on Store at the top and then select Decals and search for what you're looking for. You can find the ID for the asset in the URL. It will be located between asset and the next slash. Highlight the ID, right-click on it, and select Copy. And if you're looking to upload your own image or decal, you can click on Creations on the left side and then select Development Items. Choose either images or decals, depending on what you want to create, and then select the image or decal you want to use, and click on the three dots on the left and choose Copy Asset ID. Now you have the ID and you can paste it wherever you want. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.